Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to divide first name and last name in Excel. Please like and subscribe and let's get started. To divide the first name and the last name, we do the following. In the next cell, type the first name from the first cell exactly as it's written in the cell. Now select the cell below and press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-E to autofill, and the first name is extracted from all the cells. We do the same with the last name. Type the last name from any cell and press Ctrl-E. Everything is fast and clear. But let's complicate the example. Add the middle name to several cells as well as few commas and dashes between the words. In this case, autofill is no longer working as well. Excel recognizes the first name, but then the problems begin. To divide the name in this form, we do the following. Select the cells and go to the Data tab. Click the Text to Columns button. In the first step, leave delimited and click Next. In the second step, we specify which delimiters are in the cells. In this case, they are comma, space, and dash. Manually enter the dash in the other section. Already in the preview window, you can see how the names will be separated. Click Next and select the data format in the third step. You don't need to change anything here, and we also select the destination cell for the split data. For example, this will be the cell D2. Click Finish and all the names are separated, which is what we need. And that's it. Now we know more.